This is Adam from LEGO. We're here unboxing the Braun Cruzer face all-in-one shaving system. Usable wet and dry. Let's have a wee look. It's the Cruzer 6 that we're looking at here. And on the side just shows you the different tools and ways you can use it. Let's have a look on the back. Again, just kind of showing you the main styles that you can go with using this device, and the fact that it also is usable wet. So let's have a wee dig a bit inside. Slide this out. That's 2 bits. Raise it first. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Let's just see what's in this other little box. First up, we've got the head guard for the blades. Got the power cable, a standard bathroom connection there. Some oil for the blades. A small blade brush. Look in the instruction manual. What that is? Oh no, something else. Look at this last bit. And that's the little power dock for it. So let's have a look at the razor itself. Quite comfortable, good weight to it. Not too heavy, not too light. Quite comfortably hold in the hand. Easy to use, it looks like. There's the main clipper on the top, a little trimmer at the bottom. You control at the back. I like the rubberized grip as well, it's quite nice. And kind of just sits in its wee charging dock, like so. There we go. And we'll have a wee look just to make sure there's nothing else in this bag. Oh, yeah, there we go. I think this first one, let's take it out here. Yeah, so that's the head guard, the guard for the top. And this one looks like the guard for the small clipper. Yeah, it's the guard for the small clipper, lodged on here. So there we go, so that's the Braun Cruzer face, available from LEGO.